Good morning, candidates. I posted a month back performance analysis of Bank of India as on 31st of March 2023. Recently, the quarter one result has also come, and let us see the important points out of that. So this is the one that I have downloaded from the website of Bank of India. It tells about key highlights, but of course, from the point of view of interview, we don't have to memorize this or mug up this, but just go through this. In which areas have they done well, like say CASA, Agri, net NPA has decreased, gross NPA has decreased, provision coverage has increased, then net interest margin has increased. Just to have an information about that, that will do. And then it tells about global business. I am of the view, even global business, okay, let us know about this. Here it is telling global deposit is 6,96,000 crore. Global advances 5,18,000 crore. Just remember in terms of lakhs, that will do. Then we should go into domestic deposit. Domestic deposit, say they have told like this, but we will go through domestic deposit. How much is the deposit given? Domestic deposit figure, amount in rupees in crores. Amount in rupees in crores. CASA amount is this much, 2,60,000. And it is bulk deposits are out of this 11.99%. Yeah. Domestic deposits, it is given here. It has grown by 7.98%. Domestic advances also 7.98%. Okay. The figure is given as domestic is given as blue. It is given as, say, in the month of what is that, 30th June, it is given as 5,89,517, and the advances is given as 4,33,246. Kindly remember this correctly. That is total deposit bank as a whole you tell, total advances bank as a whole you tell. If you can remember the breakup of domestic and global, fine. Then just go through this. This is not of much important, except that you can know that retail, agriculture and MSME figure is 2,39,954. Gross domestic advances is 4,33,000 crores. Just know about this. Of this, priority sector advances is adjusted net bank credit is 3,83,000, of which priority sector is 1,65,486. Agriculture is 72,801, like that. Please go through these figures. It will help you. This much is not required. Domestic credit industry-wise may not be required unless you are an agriculture graduate or say MBA or MCOM student. If you are so, then go through this and understand this. And because this is credit officer's post, you can know that bank has given for power sector 43,503 crore, like that. Then total figures, just you know this. Yeah, actually what is more important is total deposits, total advances, domestic deposits, domestic advances, followed by net profit and gross NPA percentage, net NPA percentage, and net NII. Yeah, that is also operating. Net profit is 1,551 crore. Key financial ratios and all Net interest margin 3.03. But this and all may not be required for normal students other than commerce students. And the book value per share now is 124.98. You should also try to know before going for the interview what is the share market price of Bank of India. Here it is given standard advances 93%, gross NPA 6.67. That much is to, you don't have to go very much in detail. Moment of NPA has been going well, that it has been reducing. That's a positive sign. Gross NPA is now only 6.67%. Net NPA is only 1.65%. This much will do. Capital adequacy ratio is 15.60%. Shareholding pattern is Government of India 81.41%, LIC 7.05%. This just broadly, you know this. And you should also know what is the total capital. What is the share capital? That also you should know. Then this is very important because digital they are going. See, in the case of, they are claiming that digital channel, KCC up to 1.60 lakhs, gold loan, small, then SHG loans, then retail loans, personal loan, pensioner loan, vehicle loan, savings accounts loans, then MSME renewal, Mudra, Kishore, Tarun, Sisho, small road transport operators, they have already rolled out, it seems, and they are going to roll out all these things. KCC about 1.60 lakhs, then Kishan Vagan, that is Kishan Vagan means farmers vehicle advance, KCC renewal, agri food agro, loan against TDR, pre-approved personal loan, home loan, top-up loan, working capital, about 10 lakhs up to 2 crore. Working capital review, pre-approved business plan. Everything they are going to bring it in the next 6 months. Digital journey. Please get to know that. Then also go through this page to know what is the performance of our bank regarding, say, financial inclusion. PM Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana account how many lakhs? Then Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, how many lakhs? Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, how many lakhs? Atal Pension Yojana, how many lakhs? Then this overseas business operations, not very much required, but still just go through that. You should know that Bank of India has got in New Zealand, Tanzania, Uganda, PT Bank of Indonesia, Zambia Bank. Then their subsidiaries are given here. Bank of India Merchant Bankers Shareholding Limited, Bank of India Investment Managers Private Limited, Bank of India Trustee Services Private Limited, ST, then address Associates Domestic. These are subsidiaries, these are associates domestic. STCI Finance Limited, it is an NBFC. ASREC is asset reconstruction. Then joint venture domestic Star Union Dai-ichi Life Insurance. So life insurance company also, they have a joint venture domestic. Then they have 3 RRB sponsored by them. One is Madhya Pradesh Gramin Bank, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha Konkan Gramin Bank, Maharashtra, Aryavarth Bank, Uttar Pradesh. Their total business mix also, you know, that's all. Then you go through these pages to know about initiatives and going forward, what are the advancements they have done in RuPay gift card, Viso Bingo debit card, credit card onboarding through e-platform, Boy Merchant credit card. What are the things they have done? You just go through. They have introduced a scheme for extending financial assistance to sugar mills. Account aggregator for all 3 RRB sponsored by us. Likewise, please go through these pages also. Go through the awards received by Bank of India. You have to know this because you have to tell how much is the, you have to tell them what are the, when you talk about Bank of India, besides telling, say, number of branches, number of ATMs, name of chairman, deposits, advances, gross NPA, net NPA, net profit, etc. You can also tell about the achievements made by them and awards received by them. Please go through this. Go through this thoroughly and get to know, but not everything. At least 2 or 3 things you must be able to know. Then these are the points. And yeah, domestic branches 5,131, overseas branches 22. Total number of branches 5,153. Then this domestic long-term rating, it is given as AAA stable. CRISIL says AA plus stable. ICRA says AA plus stable. India rating says AA plus stable. CARE ratings like this. So just get to know this. That will do. Also go through this page about environmental, social governance and practices. Please go through this page also. So these are the points they have told about Bank of India in their presentation. So I have given this as an attachment today in our WhatsApp page also. Bank of India credit officer, IT officer group. There are about 90, roughly how many students are there? Maybe must be more than 60 students. So please go through this paper. You download this one and start reading this. Now, when you go for interview, you need not remember about 31st March. You have to remember about 30th June 2023. I wish you all best of luck. And in fact, today I conducted GD, only 4 of you attended. And if more people can attend, it will be good. However, to an extent possible, whenever possible, I will conduct some GDs. I think I have arranged for a GD tomorrow also on Bank of India advanced schemes. So that I want you to go through all the advanced, because you are going for credit officers. So please go through that thoroughly and come for participation. I expect active participation on 1st of August, 7 p.m. Thank you so much.